guys, it's take 11. This is lesson 8.7.
I'm filming the atmosphere.
I'm in the earth. I'm Maggie.
I'm Veronica.
I'm Ella, and we're the sun.
June 2nd, 2025. Science.
Lesson 8.7.
This is for you, Mr.Lada, Firework parody.
Lesson 8.7.
Do you ever feel like the earth's too hot, like the ice is gone, and the weather's not what it used to be? Storms are getting wild, you can help it change, even as a child. Do you ever feel small and out of place, like your voice is lost, like you leave no trace? But the earth is crying, it's not too late. We can rise as one and protect its fate. You don't have to wait, you can make a stand. Turn on all the lights, reuse what you can, 'cause baby you're a part of Earth. Let's show her what it's worth. Make it clean, make it right. Help the planet shine so, so bright. We don't need to wait to start. Just one act and play a part. Let it show, oh, oh, oh. Let the whole world know, oh, oh. You can ride your bike, walk a little more, cut down on the gas. When you head outdoors, you can plant a tree, you can save the seas. Little actions grow into victories. Oceans rise because we burn too much. Fossil fuels and smoke is a heavy touch. But we got a choice, and we got the tools. We can be the ones to rewrite the rules. Use your voice today. Tell the world